So we're looking at the construction of Pine Lodge. Here's what the building was projected to look like. And here's what it really looks like. We've got the roof on, the windows are in, the stucco siding has been put on and painted, and this is the final exterior color of the building. They've also been adding a deck for this unit over here, and there's been digging, lots of digging, putting in a geothermal system. We've been working with Ciroi Construction, Dave Ciroi, longtime friend of the community. And for our fundraising, we are getting close to the goal. We're trying to raise $1.2 million. We've raised over $1 million. If you're interested in helping out, please visit fellowshipcommunity.org and click on donate. Thank you so much.